Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve a simple work makeup or outing makeup that you can get done in less than 15 minutes, just like what you can see in my face. No lashes, no extra eyeshadow, no extra paparazzi going on, just simple, beautiful, and straight to the point. If that interests you, do also like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video. So guys, I'm starting off with my simple face toner. You can also use a cleanser or micellar water to cleanse my skin. Even though I'm rushing, but still, it's still very important to clean your skin. You can't be doing makeup on a dirty skin. Next, I'm going in with my sunscreen. You can also use a moisturizer. Remember that this is a really fast makeup, so we're not doing too much. I'm just using the sunscreen as my moisturizer as well. No matter what kind of skin you have, even if you have a very oily skin, it's still very important for you to moisturize your skin so that your foundation doesn't like patch, it doesn't give you that cakey look. It's very important for you to moisturize the skin. So I'm just going to be patting that moisturizer or sunscreen into my skin very well. So this particular sunscreen also doubles as moisturizer. Next, I'm going in with this Adventure Primer just to mattify my skin. On a normal day, I will have started off with my oil block or sweat block, but all these ones are long thing. You just have less than 15 minutes to finish up this makeup, so I just want something to grip my face, my skin actually. So next, I'm going in with this fix spray, and next, foundation, straight into foundation. I'm going to be using this one from L'Oreal. I'm just going to be spreading it all over my face. I'm using a very little amount just so that it can be easy for me to blend and I can get off this makeup as quick as possible. So I'm just putting the leftover on the brush on my skin, and I'm going to be blending that in using my beauty blender like so. I'm trying to do this as quick as possible because there's no time, but then you want to make sure that everything is well blended. You don't want to be carrying patches all around, like makeup that's not well blended. So I'm just going to take my time to blend that out very well. Next, I'm going in with this concealer from LA Girl Pro, and just very little quantity, just so that my highlighted areas are really popping. So I'm going to blend that in fast before it dries off. So guys, follow me on Instagram. So guys, because I'm extra, I like a really bright under eye, so I went in with this concealer from Avo Cosmetics to brighten my under eye a bit. I just want that definition on my face, so I'm going to be blending that quickly and then move on to the next step. So next I'm still blending it right into my eyeshadow. I'm making sure that there are no patches. I'm doing that really quick. So next I'm brushing up my brows using an air wax. And I'm going straight into my setting powder. I'm using this one from Mirac. I'm just going to be setting my under eye. We're not doing baking, we're not putting too much, just to allow the powder absorb the oil from the concealer. And I'm also going to be applying that on my brow area as well, so that my brows stay matte all day. So next I'm just putting powder all over my face, especially places that I didn't highlight. Next I went into a very quick contour just from my powder palette, just to give my face a lift and kind of definition. On a normal day I would have done cream contour, looked for a dark shade of foundation and then, you know, contour my face and all that, but I don't have time for that, so I just went in with a dark powder to do that. And I'm also doing that on my nose really quick. You can actually skip the contour part, but I just wanted my face to be pronounced and not just be looking basic. So I'm just adding a little more powder just to give my under eye definition. So I go straight into brows, and I know this is where a lot of people have issues. This is really straight to the point. Just follow your natural eyebrow, and I'm using the Davis pencil here, normal, the cheapest pencil for your brow. So you just follow your brow line like what I'm doing. I follow the down part to outline it, and then same thing for the upper part. So that's why I zoomed in for you guys, so you can see what I'm doing. It's just straight to the point. Draw the outline and then fill it in. That's all. I can even go out with this brow without highlighting it. Just fill it in slightly. So what you don't want to do is to shade it or to darken it or to put pressure on it. You don't need that. Just slight strokes like I'm doing. You want it to be as natural as possible. I'm using this blot brow tint just to give my brow that natural feeling, because I don't want it to appear too harsh, you know, or too all over the place. So I just use that to put everything in place. And I'm going into highlighting my brows. I'm using the same concealer I use in highlighting my under eye. I'm not going to be highlighting the top of this brow because I don't have time for that. The brow is already looking so good, so I just highlighted the bottom part and we're good to go. So in highlighting your brow, you're just going to follow the same pattern you used in drawing the outline. Just follow the line. That's all. You don't want to eat into the brows. Just follow the outline like so. And that's it. You just want to like pull the concealer into your eyeshadow, your eyelid I mean, and then blend it in downwards like that. Make sure that the concealer is well blended so that I don't look like a masquerade. Okay, so I'm just going to be blending that in very well. So I'm going to be using a powder to blend in properly so I don't have so many colors on my face. I don't want my brow area to be looking white and then the other part of my face is giving out that color. So I'm just going to use that powder from Milani to clean it off and make everything blend in nicely. So next, eyeshadow, no too much drama. I'm just using a natural color. I can see that I'm using a fluffy brush to just put that into my eyelid, and that was it. Just blend. So I'm using this under eye pencil from Kiss Beauty just to outline my under eye, my waterline I mean. This pencil is actually really dark, so you don't need to do so much. I'm already feeling myself. Next, I'm going into my lip lining. I'm using this lip liner from, I can't remember the brand of this pencil. If I get it, I'm going to put it in the description bar below. So I'm just using that to outline. You know, we are doing a very natural color, so we are going to be doing a nude lip as well. So I'm using this nude lipstick from my V Beauty palette. I like that color so much because it gives me that natural feel. It just makes everything blend in nicely. And then you want to blend your lipstick. You don't want to be seeing that two color thing. Yeah, so I'm using this lip gloss from Classic just to make my lipstick pop, you know, just a bit. You can see that beautiful lips. So next we are done, guys. Just to clean off the powder, the under eye powder, and then I'm using this finishing powder from Milani, the same powder I used in cleaning up my brows. Yes, guys, so I went in to use this blush. It's not actually a blush, it's an eyeshadow. The eyeshadow I used on my eyelid, that I just wanted warmth on my face, so I used that. I used a little amount to just bronze my face, and I went in with this Kiss Beauty Fix Spray, and next I'm using this Silite spray from Super, just so that my makeup stays all day, you know, I can be glowing all through the day. And I'm using this highlighter from H&E again S that just pop up my face. Yeah, you can see how natural and clean this makeup is, so you can also achieve this by yourself and stop looking basic, stop looking, you know, basic to work. Next, I'm using this Saron mascara. So guys, I believe you've been able to pick one or two things from this tutorial. Do how to slay your face and stop looking basic to work. You know, you can look this beautiful, this all glammed up, but not too much makeup, you know, in less than 15 minutes. So guys, if you've not liked,
you're very, very wrong. If you not like this video, you're very, very wrong. So like, drop a comment down below, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye.